Creating a video involves several key steps to ensure a polished final product. How to easily create simple explainer videos and upload it on YouTube. Begin with script preparation. Write the initial script, then use ChatGPT to tweak and refine it according to the video's content. Next, move on to voiceover creation by heading to Clipchamp. From the home page, select the text-to-speech option. Paste the script and choose the voiceover. Export the voiceover once it's ready. For video creation, go to Canva and use the Elements option to find a suitable background. Upload the Clipchamp video to Canva and extract the audio. Place the audio on the timeline and find a relatable video from Elements for the intro part, adding it to the timeline. When you need screen recordings, capture them and upload them to Canva. Adjust the screen recordings to match the video script. Finally, export the completed video in 4K resolution from Canva. This is how you easily create simple explainer videos and upload it on YouTube. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.